IVM.
Hi, everybody. Just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with libraries. Did you know that Andrew Carnegie, over the course of his life, donated over $1.6 billion in today's value of books to libraries, which meant that he single-handedly started 2,509 libraries across the world. Carnegie made his incredible wealth in the steel industry, creating one of the largest steel companies in the world, which he later sold. He dedicated the latter part of his life to philanthropy, speaking and sharing knowledge from all over the world, especially knowledge on making money. He commissioned Napoleon Hill to write the famous Think and Grow Rich book. It is amazing how many of the wealthiest people in the world focus on learning. Warren Buffett spends about 80% of his day reading and learning, reading over 500 pages every day. You will notice that there is a sense of curiosity in learning these things. It is this curiosity that leads to creative problem solving, imagination, and growth. I've always believed that one of my superpowers has been this insatiable curiosity. The other superpower is the ability to explain things in a simple and concise manner. But most people stumble and fall right here, at this early stage. Most people stop learning after school and college. They never pick up a book or get curious enough about a subject to dedicate time and energy to learning. Now, I know that you are different. You don't fall into this category because you are already listening to the Habit Coach podcast. So you are curious and want to learn about improving yourself and having that awesome life. So today's podcast is all about what you do with this newfound knowledge and information. See, when we learn something new, the first instinct is to always run to someone and tell them about it. Tell them about what we've learned and almost show off this newfound knowledge. Think about it. How often have you run to your friends with new information that you've picked up about something, gone to share it with them? There is excitement and there is this almost one-upmanship in this game of knowing more than the other. And trust me, I know that feeling. I've been there, done that. When I started reading for the first time as an adult and learning for the first time, I wanted to scream it off the top of the earth. All the things that I'd learned, I just wanted to share and tell people about. Because it gives you a sense of power, that you know something that others don't. However, my life truly changed not when I started reading and telling everyone about what I'd read. My life started changing when I started reading and then implementing all the things that I'd learned. When I started using all the information that I'd gathered over the years, that is when my life truly changed. As your habit coach, not only do I want you to have the habit of learning every day, I want you to have the habit of implementing what you've learned every day. I get hundreds of messages from listeners telling me about how they've heard every single of these podcasts. And I always ask them something back. What have you implemented from what you've learned? Because that is the key. And I say this not as a sharer of information with you, but as an implementer of the information you receive here. I never share a habit without having done it myself, and I test it out on my clients before sharing it with you. So your simple habit starts by learning. But then, after you've learned, implement what you've learned before you share it with others. Don't fall into the trap of learning and then showing off, because it's easy to do. It makes you feel powerful. But true power comes from doing what you've learned. Usually in a podcast, it's me who speaks to you and you who listens. But I've been seeing your comments and it's time. It's me listening to you. Following the overwhelming success of this podcast, the good folks at IVM Podcast Network have decided to come up with a Kannada adaptation of the show for those who prefer listening to it in that language. Do make sure you let your Kannada-speaking friends know about this as well. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashdin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME180. That's Awesome180.
Hey everybody, it's been a great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus talks to a close friend and veteran actor Dolly Thakur about her new book, Regrets None, and her amazing career spanning over 5 decades. On Tere Mere Raaste, Keshwar travels to the Pearl of the Hills, Mussoorie. Discover a city that cherishes her tourist spots as much as her famous residents. Our taglines, a relic of the past. On Sparta with Sid, Siddharth analyzes whether taglines still hold relevance in today's world. On GBCD, Farhad and Sunethra reflect on the perks and quirks of living with family. And on Hans Vandi, hear an interesting story, Neem Ki Pattiya, voiced by Casey Shankar and written by Sarang Upadhyay. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. Also, do check out our various YouTube channels. You can catch them on IVM Podcast/YouTube. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quota, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Flake Coffee, Intel, and Oxfam India. Thank you so much for making this possible.
Do you wonder why China does the things that it does? Or want to know how we could improve online privacy? Or perhaps you're thinking about how we can kickstart India's economy. If you'd like to search for the answers to such questions, check out All Things Policy, a daily public policy podcast that covers everything from employment figures to aircraft carriers. Tune in from Monday to Friday for new episodes and fresh takes.